So hello dear learners, my name is Kishan Vikwas. In this video we will talk about how to speak English fluent. This video for the beginners, those who are really want to learn English. So we will do group discussion in English. Today's topic is the condition of government hospital versus private hospital, which is good. So today Arman is with me and we will do GD. And so topic is given to you that government hospital versus private hospitals. So whom you will favor?
My private hospital.
Your private hospital.
Yeah.
So as you know, dear learners, he has chosen the topic private hospitals, right? And I will say government hospitals is okay. So now, how can you say that the private hospitals condition is very good, and why it is good? Why you will say that?
Private hospital is condition very good, but and private hospital is very clean and private hospital is beautiful. But I think government hospital is not very clean.
How could you say that private hospitals is very good? Nowadays, do you know if you will go to the private hospitals, they will take too much money. Like after that, you have to take loan. Sometimes you have to sell your own properties. So how could you say that the condition is private hospitals is very good? Tell me why.
I think private hospital is doctors is serial, but government college is government
Is not private hospital.
government hospital is doctor is not serious. Only duty.
Duty.
Only duty is clearly. But I think government hospital is doctor is very serious and patient is treatment is important.
But you said about they are not serious. Do you know?
Yes.
Government hospitals are highly qualified than private hospital doctors. They have also degree, but if you talk about if you study, they means if they studied in well government schools, they colleges, they studied and got big universities. After that, pass the exam, and then they become a government doctor. So that is a very higher degree than our private doctors. So first of all, you can't say this. They are not paying serious towards their duties. Don't say like this.
I think government hospital is doctors more education, but private hospital is doctor is small is big qualification, and some doctors is more education. I think passed NEET and MBBS private hospital.
But what about money? If we talk about money, I think money the private hospital charges are very high. Going before going to the hospital, they are charging their charges many rupees before going. And if suppose that if we stay one night, then definitely we have to spend lots of money. But if you talk about government hospitals, the government hospitals fee is very, one rupee only.
Yeah.
If you will go only 1 rupee slip, you will get, and after that you admit your patient. So that is a very good for the poor. So what about poor? Tell me.
I think private college is fee high, but patient is safety. But government college is low fees, 1 rupee, and patient is not safety.
So you were talking about safety. Nowadays, there is a big scam. If you talk about scam, like you go to the private hospital with your patient, and they will make you that they are alive. After they are charging too much money day by day, after they said, I have no idea. This patient is not too much good. It is very serious condition. You have to go to Lucknow. You have to go to the city. So what is nonsense they are making like this?
I think private college is best and government hospital is not best. And private hospital is more doctors and government hospital is not more doctors and only training.
Training.
Only for training doctors. But government private hospital is more education and more doctors.
Now we will talk about poor. Many of the cases are going on. Like if you are poor, you can't go to the private hospitals because sometimes they have sold their everything, gold, properties. Sometimes they just use the Ayushman card. The policy of Ayushman card also given to the government hospitals. If you the government give you this type of authority, if you have that Ayushman card, then there is a treatment of free. So this is also used for the poor patients. But if you talk about the private hospitals, before going, they ask about Ayushman card. After that, what happened? They just make the bill, right? And after that, highest, if you have only small disease, they are making that how much money you have to expense, and they all like they are looting the money by the help of the Ayushman card. This is also a fraud that can in private hospitals it's going on. So how could you say
Private hospital is high money, but government hospital is low money, and government college hospital is Ayushman card and not either.
benefit?
Not benefit pure benefit and only for benefit government and present time is best private hospital and no best government hospital and private hospital is benefit poor man and rich man and some man and government hospital is not benefit poor man and rich man.
So as we talk about nowadays, the private hospital is very good.
Yeah.
If we will go to if we will go any street, we find there is also hospitals. They're making their own hospitals. Like this is a shop. They make the shop. If you will go we talk about in our town, there are many hospitals are there. They just get degree and they open their own hospitals without any, you can say that degrees also sometimes they make fake degrees and they just make private colleges and they study private colleges. After that, they make become a doctor. And that's also a fraud. If you will go and they trap you, then definitely they first of all they just sucking your blood. After they will send to you city. They said I have no treatment like this. I have no such kind of treatment like this. So they will say the patient is very serious. You have to go. So what is this? This is also a scam of the private hospitals. But now we talk about in city, the condition of the government hospital is very good. This is very good condition of city.
But I think the UP in not government college hospital is best, and only UP in best private hospital and percent. And private hospital is give me money and patient is safety. But I think government hospital is not safety and patient and open the 10 a.m. and close in 5 a.m. and private hospital is open 8 a.m. and close in 9 p.m.
As you want to say that they are providing the service 24/7. As you want to say in private hospital. But what about money? Actually, they are charging too much money. In the private hospital, they make the ward, general ward, that kind of VIP ward. What does it mean, VIP and general? Because they are making partiality between the upper caste and lower caste. If you are giving too much money, then they will treat like a VIP treatment. If you will not able to give such money, they demand that so you are not treated by the VIP treatment. So what is this? They are making nonsense in this, right? This is also not good for the poor. So suppose that you are not able to pay a single money means whatever they demanded, you will say please take some money. Then they will say okay, go to the general ward. If you are giving too much money, they provide you AC room conditions, that air conditioners. So this is also fraud or scam of the private hospitals. What about the your views? What will say in this case? Arrangement.
Government college is not arrangement and ambulance, and private college is arrangement and ambulance, and no call is give up ambulance, and government college not ambulance, and government college is not clean of all hospitals, and private hospital is clean all hospital in UP, but I think government college is best in before UP, and private college is best in UP, and government college is not government hospital is not best UP. In UP in best only for money and give me money and go to work.
And so as you talk about ambulance also provided by the government hospitals, because these are the service of free.
Yes.
You have to only call.
Yes.
But what about if we talk about the private hospitals? First of all, they will make sure that how much money will provide. If you call to that hospitals, they will take charge 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. But what about the private hospitals? They are taking that charge. But in government free, you immediately call. They just take home. They will come home and take the patient to the hospital. But in private hospitals, customer they decide how much money you will give. They just bargaining the charges. So it is also a fault. It is also not good for the poor. Every facility is given to the VIP, rich persons. So this is also a very bad for the poor, those who are living in India, in UP, in village. So this is a very bad thing for the poor. So tell me, what about the poor?
I think government hospital it call, but not so late ambulance, and the patient is die, and call private hospital and fast ambulance is come and not die patient. I think government hospital not fast ambulance coming, and private hospital is fast coming ambulance and not die patient, and government hospital is die patient.
So my dear learners, this is the way we talk in English. So I hope you are enjoying this video. ऐसे ही बने रहिए और जैसे ट्राई कर रहे हैं हम लोग बोलने के लिए, आप भी ट्राई कर सकते हो. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. जय हिंद, जय भारत.